Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Honda Pilot. First, take a moment to understand your key fobs functions, like locking and unlocking doors. Next, adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure a comfortable and safe driving position. Finally, familiarize yourself with the main controls on your dashboard, such as the headlights and wipers, before you even start the engine. Now, let's get moving. Learn to use the gear selector for park, reverse, neutral, and drive positions. Always ensure you understand the braking system, including how to engage and disengage the parking brake. Practice smooth acceleration and gentle steering inputs in a safe area to get a feel for your pilot's responsiveness. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic addition to any room. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Your Honda Pilot offers more than just basic driving. Explore the various driving modes like snow or mud to adapt to different road conditions. Take time to understand the infotainment system and navigation features for a more connected journey. Finally, practice parking maneuvers using the rearview camera to master tight spots with ease.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.